Are you looking for McDonald's promo codes and a way how to get free McDonald's points and food? Because that's exactly what I was doing, and I searched for a long time for any working method of getting free food from McDonald's and also free reward points in the McDonald's app. And I was searching through Google, and I actually managed to find a really cool website, guys, that's going to give you coupon codes that you can simply redeem within the McDonald's app, and it's going to credit you 3 points for free food. So I decided, hey, why don't I make this tutorial and show you all how to go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy, so let me get through to the tutorial now and show you all how you can go ahead and get your free points in the app or free meals from McDonald's. So open up your phone internet. So I'm using an iPhone here, and you need to type this website, www.speedycoupons. Hopefully you can type better than me. speedycoupons.com. So you got to go directly to the website, guys, by typing www. and reach Speedy Coupons. And basically, guys, you can see this has got lots of different stuff on here, ranging from the latest game codes to, you know, like Shein gift cards and what have you. Go to the search bar here and type McDonald's, and you should see this McDonald's coupons and deals. Tap to open this page up. These codes are limited, so make sure you get on this quick, but they do replenish these codes pretty often. So you can see there's a couple of codes listed on this page. There's a get 9,999 McDonald's reward points for free, so that's pretty much the maximum points that you can actually get in the McDonald's app. And there's also a get any meal for free within the McDonald's app. So these are simple promo codes that you can redeem within the app, and it's just going to credit you the corresponding deal. So let's go for the points. So tap show coupon, and you can see this is 10k points, or almost 10k for free, and it's given you part of the code, but we obviously want the full code here for the McDonald's points. So tap unlock code, and you can see it's going to start unlocking. It takes a few seconds. Okay, and now you're going to come across this screen, which is completely normal, guys, so don't panic here, it's pretty easy. We just need to follow the instructions to unlock our McDonald's code. So we need to complete 2 of the free survey or app offers below, and there's a list of applications and surveys, and they're all free, as you can see down here. So you just need to choose 2 of them, and there is a description below each one. So you can see here, for example, this one says have a chance to win a Argos gift card, and it says fill in your details and confirm. So that's like a survey. Alternatively, you can choose, for example, like Coin Master, download this app and complete village level 3. So there's different tasks you can choose. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. I prefer doing the survey offers simply because they're really quick and easy, and you just need to sort of input your email and whatever other information it asks for. So let me go back and click on a second one. So this one at the bottom, register and choose your boxes and start your free trial. So let's click on that. This is just like a free trial sort of one. Once again, you just have to sign up for a free account. Yep, and I just need to input my details here. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and I'll be completing both of those tasks and returning in a second. Welcome back. So I just finished both of those tasks. Because I chose the surveys, I just had to make sure I input my correct information, because this does verify I'm a real person. But yeah, you can choose any 2 of these tasks, and there is also a support button down here, so if you get stuck at any point, you can ask the chat anything to help you out. So once you've completed 2 of these things on this page, you should now go back to the tabs and see this pop up. If you don't have this tab pop up with your code, then go back and try another task, because you might have done something wrong. But anyway, go to this tab, and it's now got my 10,000 free McDonald's rewards points code, and that can be copied, and I can simply redeem this code in the McDonald's app, and it's going to credit me 10,000 points. So that is how easy this method is, guys. You just have to go to speedycoupons.com and follow the instructions in this video to get your free food or free McDonald's points. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below if you need any help getting your codes, but it's pretty easy if you follow the instructions and just take your time and fully complete everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time.